Hi, my name is Harry Lightfoot from Berthon International, and today we are on board a 1977 Swan 411.
KISWALA has been loved by the same family since 2015 and has always been used locally in the Solent for day sailing and racing. The Swan 411 is a true classic, and this one has been very well looked after by all her owners, and she has done some excellent sailing over her time. As we just make our way aft and about to look forward, you can see the classic Swan lines. She will behave in any weather, giving you excellent turn on the racecourse or while crossing oceans. Making our way forward, you'll see a carbon spinnaker pole on the port side. KISWALA comes with a vast variety of sails, including 3 spinnakers, light, heavy and medium. You have your 130% Genoa, which was new in 2017, as well as a storm jib, plus many other spare and old sails. Just looking aft, you have your electric windlass with control. A large opening hatch used as a sail locker, or down below you have berths. Looking up towards the deck, you've got your standard stack pack main. Again, the main was brand new in 2017. In 2021, all the standard rigging was replaced with rod rigging, so she is virtually as new in terms of the sailing infantry. Many of her lines can be accessed from the mast as well as in the cockpit. You have access for the carbon pole. You've got the runners for the Genoa and the other sails that attach. As we get ourselves into the cockpit, classic Swan setup, sort of aft centre cockpit. Adjustable backstay. New B&G GPS unit. Engine controls with your throttle. Just in forward, you have your wind instruments, speed and depth, as well as your GPS units. On each side you have small cockpit lockers. You have your gas locker aft. Genoa sheets running into the 4 main winches. And then you've got your 2 smaller winches forward. You have main sheet track just in the centre. As we step over and down into the main saloon and galley. In total she has 7 berths and 2 cabins. And so the woodwork throughout for her age really is fantastic. As we make our way forward, this acts while racing as a sail locker. You can fit all your spinnakers and spare sails, but if you're doing longer distance sailing, also acts as 2 bunks and storage under the bunks. Here we have your main head, manual loo with shower out the sink, good sized storage, ventilated if hanging up wet clothes. Making my way back into the saloon, you've got your little pilot berth up on the starboard side. A table with eaves that swing out, giving access to eat around the saloon seating. As you come down through the chart table, here you have access to all your engine and battery controls and into the aft main cabin. So the upholstery has been very well looked after, similar again to all the woodwork. The galley had a bit of a revamp a few years ago. You've got good access to storage throughout the boat. Make your way back into the saloon, which has a nice light and airy feel. You've got a very well located galley which is easy access while sailing, handing drinks out, as well as a 2-burner cooker. Got your fridge. And as a final look at that saloon, KISWALA really is a very well looked after Swan 411.